Okay, here we have section 4.2 exercise 36, and this is actually my second attempt on this. I ended up writing things backward when I actually put the numbers in after going to Desmos, and that got me very confused, but I finally realized that no, I had done everything correctly. I just am not good with numbers and put the numbers in the wrong spot. So in 36 we have y equal the square root of 1 minus x squared, and we're shown this picture, something like that. It goes 0 to 1, and we're given 5 rectangles, so for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so a lower sum would come from the right-hand side of all of these. That would be a lower sum. Okay, so the lower sum, okay, or lower bound, would be our sum. And if I, again, name these things, here's my x0, x1, and up to x5 up here at 1. Then, I need my delta x, so there I went a distance of 1 minus 0. So delta x is equal to 1 minus 0 over the 5, okay, or 1/5. And so I see these values are 0, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 1. And so when I do this sum, again, the lower sum is the right-hand side. So I want to start with x1 and go up to x5. So j equals 1 to 5, something like that, right? And I need my function, so that's 1 minus. Now I need my xj squared here, but the xj is just j over 5. So I have j divided by 5 squared, and then times my delta x, which is 1/5. And so there's my lower sum, and my upper sum, or my upper bound, is the left-hand side. So the left-hand side, I just go from 0 to 4. Okay, start here at 0, and then 1/5 up to 4/5. So the inside part, the stuff I'm summing up, and the delta x, those are all the same. So this is square root of 1 minus j over 5 squared, like that. And so now I can go to Desmos and check these out, and hopefully I won't write them backwards this time. Here's Desmos. And when I did this, it made an n here. And so I just left it as an n and made the n up there with the 5. And so here was n equal 1 to 5. That's on the right-hand side. And so that's my lower sum, 0.659. So I'll write that down for my lower sum. And what I did last time when I messed this up was I accidentally wrote it with the upper sum, 0.629, or wait, 659, I think it was. 659, we'll see in a minute here, but yes. This looks horrible, 0.659. So there's my lower bound, and then my upper bound, I need to change my limits to 0 to 4, yeah, 659. So there I need a 0, and up here I need a 4, and this is my upper bound, and I have 0.859, and that's where I got really confused after I wrote them down. So 0.859, I had noticed that since I had those switched, my lower bound was bigger than my upper bound, and I went, whoa, what's going on here? And it took me a minute to figure out I had just simply written these numbers in the wrong spot. But so this is, that our actual area, this says it's at least as big as 659 there, 0.659, and no bigger than, 0.859. Okay, so that is number 36.